We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned if we would get the breakout, any correction, the breakout of this trend line, we can look for buy. And this is what we get. We were expecting to get a bigger correction, but anyway, anyone is in the trade within this move. I mean, from this correction, no, they should at least start to manage because almost the price haven't broke this top, but it's almost near to the top. And now, made we want to see whether we get a bigger correction here for continuation, or this is, since we can see this is maybe this one we can put in relative to this for one more drop. Okay, and another one things, if we refer to our analysis, we had the entry above this in case the price can move sharply. Okay, I think no, we should. I mean, as we can see, the price haven't tagged, and we shouldn't be. I mean, we should. If anyone have entry above the stop, no, they should remove it. Then we want to see how we can trade it. Again, start with the daily chart. Okay, after we have been reading this, we mentioned whether we can get the reversal or bigger correction. Okay, how about if we move to forward chart? We want to see how we can trade it. Based on forward chart, this is what we get. We want to see whether there is a continuation or not. And mostly if we get a correction, we can look for buy. And when the price come to here, this top, we want to see whether there is a continuation or not. This is where we need to start or to manage our trade. But how about this one if continues a correcting for one more drop? Okay, also we need to be aware of this. The only thing is how high this one can go and whether there is a continuation or the price can drop. By the way, we don't have any trade set up whether for buy or sell based on forward chart. If we move based on 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can trade. Okay, even based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing times we can look for buy if this one move up, drop, at least we give us a bigger correction. Okay, that's mean if we get a deeper correction, then any trade we can take it. Okay, and we'll target the price to come to this top. Then from there we see what's the next. And how about if the price continue from here? Can we have entry above this? As you can see, we get this move and drop. How about if we, since we mentioned maybe we get the correction here, how about the next move also easily tag and reverse? Okay, if we want to have a trade with the entry above the top, I think putting above here is quite risky. Maybe we put a bit higher, maybe around between 510 to 515. Okay, because we don't want the price easily tag and reverse. We want the price tag and continue. Okay, now the thing is, if you want to have entry above the top, we put a bit higher because maybe this one can turn to flat. At least the price cannot tag. And what we want the price tag and continue. If the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. Again, having entry above the stop is really risky. And the best thing is if we get a correction here for continuation. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and this one, if tends to move up, move as a corrective, we are not going to trade with entry above. The trade with entry above, we want the sharply move, and if this one again start up move as a corrective, we can expect the down move. Any sharp move down with the flag, we can look for sell, and this is our target. By the way, we just wait, we see whether we can get a bigger correction for buy or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.